When the first small cucumbers appear, then I give them the supplement so that they grow big, fat, and juicy. Cucumbers have just started to form fruit. Right now, the plant spends a lot of energy on their development. I need the washed and dried shells of 4 eggs. I will grind them. I put the ground husk in a jug. I add vinegar to cover the eggshell. Vinegar helps to separate the calcium. I'll stir. You will immediately see the reaction, how foam is created. I will let it sit for 24 hours. After 24 hours of standing, I received a concentrate rich in calcium. I pour the concentrate into the bottle. I dilute the concentrate with 1 liter of water. I add a spoonful of wood ash. Wood ash is rich in potassium. I'll shake it up. I water around the roots once every 15 days. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.